Have you ever wondered why famous people, no matter at what age, look perfect on their pictures? Today I'm gonna show you how you can remove wrinkles from your photos very easy and fast using Photoshop. The first thing I want to ask you is if you're interested in learning Photoshop, please subscribe to my channel. I'm intending to do a lot of Photoshop tutorials. I found this picture on internet and I'm gonna show you how I moved all the wrinkles from her face and made her seems much younger. After we have the image open, we have to create new layer. And this is the layer where we're going to work. The tool that we're going to use today is the healing brush tool. What you have to check before you start is that the tool is applying to not only the current layer but the current and the layers below, because we're starting at 0 and we have to use what is in the layer below the layer that we're using. Okay, now let's zoom a little bit so we see better that she really has wrinkles to remove, and let's start. What we have to do is to press out and place on her face somewhere where it is clean and empty, like here, and we will start from here. We just do one little move and the wrinkles are hidden. Then we're going to the next one, to the next one, and so on. I want to whiten a little bit this surface here. That's why even without the wrinkles I'm using the tool there. You see, we just made a few little moves and the wrinkles are almost gone. But be careful, because when you remove the wrinkles, usually the face looks a little bit fake. And that's why some of the photographers and some of the people who are editing photos are using, I will show you, fake healing brush. What this tool is doing to actually fade a little bit the effect that we're creating. I'm gonna show you both of the ways to do it. This is how I usually do it when I'm hurrying. You see how she looks now and how she was before. If you don't know her in person and if you didn't see the picture before, you would not think it's fake, but sometimes your pictures are seen from people that really knows you. Maybe it's better to change the opacity. This is what I'm usually doing, to a lower level, and you can see that she still has wrinkles. It's not like a 100% opacity, but around 70 I found it the more natural look, like this. And she looks really cool, right? And the second method is to do with the fade healing brush. I'm gonna show you how you can do it, but this way it's better to do the wrinkles one by one. I'm opening the second picture that I prepared for this tutorial. This is also one very beautiful woman. I'm creating a new layer as the previous time, and we're starting with the same brush tool. We select from where we want to kind of copy the colors, and we start like this, and then we go to edit, fade healing brush, and here you can see you can change the opacity wrinkle by wrinkle, so you get even maybe even more natural look than what we achieved on the previous picture, because here you can leave some of the wrinkles and to delete fully other wrinkles, and on the other picture you're affecting the whole picture. If you turn the opacity on higher level, the whole wrinkles will disappear, and if you lower it everywhere, the wrinkles will appear. And here you can remove or leave the wrinkles one by one, which makes it a little bit more easy to create a better and more natural look. Edit, fade edit brush, and some of the wrinkles we can leave. A little bit more visible, and still you see that now doing it step by step you get used to this look that we are creating, but we also are achieving very big difference. Even leaving the opacity of some of the wrinkles more, like this. Here you can see how she was, and here is how she looks now. Well, these are the two options that I found on Photoshop, like that are efficient of removing wrinkles. Let me know in the comments below if you have a photo that you like yourself very much, but this little wrinkle on your forehead just ruined the picture. We all have those, no matter of the age. Well guys, I hope this tutorial was useful for you. I hope you learned something new. I hope you now can remove all the wrinkles that you don't like on your face. And if so, please like the video, subscribe for my channel, and share with friends that maybe also want to remove something here and there. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.